Dok, ang hirap po pakainin ng anak ko. Ano ang gagawin ko? Hi, this is Dr. Candice Iller and I'm a general pediatrician. Habang lumalaki, nagiging pihikan or mapili po sa pagkain yung ating mga anak, and this is actually a normal phase in their lives, and notable po ito at around 1 to 6 years of age, at ang tawag po dito ay picky eating. So may mga bata po talaga na maselan po kumain, refusing even po yung mga familiar na food. Minsan very choosy po sila sa mga type of food na gusto nila, at meron din po mabigat pakainin, especially po yung mga toddlers natin na always running around and busy playing. So ano po ba ang dapat nating gawin? Number 1, schedule po natin yung ating pagkain. So meron po talagang breakfast, lunch at dinner, at kung pwede may dalawang snacks in between. Number 2, kumain po na magkakasama ang pamilya. Sometimes kasi po, the children would copy kung ano pong kinakain natin. Number 3, maghain po tayo ng pagkain para sa buong pamilya. So iwasan po natin yung mga separate na food for the child, especially when they are around 2 or 3-year-old and above. So number 4, pag-usapan po ang pangalan ng pagkain, hugis, kulay, at even lasa. So matamis po ba or maasim, especially yung fruits or vegetables. So number 5, no pressure. So wala pong pilitan, wala pong pagsusuhol. Dapat relax po ang pagkain. Minsan po kahit 10 times mo na ini-introduce or ino-offer, at bago niya lang titikman, okay lang yon. It's normal. So effort lang po talaga to introduce that food. Number 6, isama po yung bata or yung anak natin sa pag-grocery or pamamalengke para makapili din po siya ng kanyang gustong fruits or vegetables. Now, number 7, mas maganda po isalin yung ating anak sa pagluluto kahit po maghugas lang siya ng fruits or magmix ng mga sanghap. Now, number 8, one means is also to provide appetite stimulants to help stimulate their appetite in the form of the multivitamins. So, however, I will discuss this in the next video. And number 9, kung pwede po, wala po munang cellphone at wala pong TV during eating. Now, as parents, we are usually worried about the overall health of our child, especially po when they are picky with their food. So, that's why when you see your pediatrician, it is best po na pa-monitor yung weight and height. In my private clinic, I usually compare the height and weight of my patients to that po sa mga kaedad nila, basing from the WHO guidelines or the WHO graphs. So, important po if you have any concerns regarding these issues, especially po if you have really difficulty giving food to your child or feeding your child, then best to bring your child to the nearest pediatrician or the nearest family physician for proper assessment and management.